Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can put a person in front of a text. So right click on a video and right click copy, right click paste. Then you're going to go to cutout here and select auto cutout on the second video. Go to text and add in your default text. I'm just going to use default text for the text, but you can definitely change it here. You can also change the font here, and I'm just going to resize it and put it kind of like here a little bit. And then I'm going to select this video and put it on top of the text, so the text will still be here. But that is basically it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!